London burning, thousands of anarchists to storm city on Bonfire Night, police on alert. Anarchists are planning to descend on London on Bonfire Night for their annual Million Mask March. Police in the capital have slapped strict restrictions on the rally and warned troublemakers to stay away. They said previous events had been marred by violence, criminal damage to London's memorials and harassment and verbal abuse of police officers. And they said anyone who breaks new conditions imposed under the Public Order Act will face immediate arrest. The march has been limited to a 3-hour slot between 6 p.m. and 9 p.m. on Sunday, and protesters will be allowed to congregate only in Trafalgar Square, on the stretch of Whitehall outside Downing Street and in Parliament Square. The event, which is organised by Hacking Collective Anonymous and its supporters, is held each year on Bonfire Night to protest against the government and capitalism. Nearly 2,000 people have said they are attending or interested in attending on the event's Facebook page. A post on the page reads, "We have seen the abuses and malpractice of this government, and governments before it. We have seen the encroaching destruction of many civil liberties we hold dear. We have seen the pushes to make the internet yet another part of the surveillance state. We have seen the government's disregard for migrants, for the poor, the elderly and the disabled. We have seen the capital, profit and greed of the few put before the well-being of the many, and we say enough is enough. The government and the 1% have played their hand. Now it's time to play ours. Expect us." Marchers often don the Guido Fawkes masks featured in the film V for Vendetta, which depicts London as a police state controlled by a fascist government, to hide their faces. Last year, some protesters caused chaos by launching fireworks and flares into the crowd and at police officers. There was public outcry following 2015's event when protesters deliberately targeted police horses patrolling the event, injuring 6 of them. The Metropolitan Police said crime at the protest had increased year on year, with 53 arrests in 2016 up from 4 in 2012. But she added, "Due to the previous history of this event, we have strong reasons to believe that peaceful protest is the last thing on the minds of some of those who will attend. Our message, as it was last year, is simple. If you wish to protest peacefully, that is your right and we want to work with you. If you commit criminal acts or breach the conditions of the event, you are liable to be arrested."
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to us on YouTube. If you like, donate to us, visit home on the page PayPal.